Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
US crude oil inventories rose unexpectedly last week as exports fell and refiners lowered their runs, while gasoline stocks also posted a surprise build as demand slowed, the Energy Information Administration said. Wall Street advanced and Treasury yields touched two-week highs as abating geopolitical concerns, robust economic data, and generally upbeat corporate earnings fed investor risk appetite. Crypto mining firm Riot Blockchain reported it produced fewer Bitcoin in July 2022 than that in July 2021. After scaling down operations at its Texas facility, Riot said its miners had produced 318 Bitcoin in July compared to 443 Bitcoin the firm reported generating in July 2021. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT, Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT, and Germany's factory orders at 600 hours GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1100 hours GMT, the Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT, and the US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.